सबसे पहली जो चीज होती है ना इस यू नीड लॉट्स ऑफ पेशेंस. चाहे आप कोच बनना चाहते हैं या ट्रेनर बनना चाहते हैं, यू नीड लॉट्स ऑफ पेशेंस. इफ यू डोंट हैव पेशेंस, don't think about becoming a coach. Okay, if if you don't have patience and you cannot be brutally honest, this field is not for you. You have to have a lot and lots and lots of patience, then a lot of hard work. If you are not the person who works hard and not willing to work hard, this is not the field. Coaching, training is not for you if you are not a hard worker, if you're not willing to give your best. You will frustrate yourself if you don't, if you just join in and you invest your time and money and you're not doing it with total determination. This will be a disastrous idea.